Thinking of turning clay into cash? Starting a ceramic products business in Malaysia could be your next masterpiece. From artisan pottery to tiles and sanitary ware, Malaysia's growing demand for quality ceramics makes it a prime market for local and export-oriented businesses. To begin, source quality clay and equipment. Whether you're setting up a small studio or a full-scale manufacturing facility, location and machinery setup are crucial. Register your business with SSM, get the right licenses, and comply with environmental regulations, especially if you're firing kilns or handling industrial waste. You can sell directly to consumers, supply to retailers, or export globally. Platforms like Shopee, Lazada, or even international B2B portals help widen your reach. Need help navigating it all? Let 3E Accounting Malaysia guide your journey, from company setup to tax and compliance. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's mold your future together.